Hey guys, this is Nick from Nick's Tech Guides, and today I got a tutorial on how you can make your iPhone or iPod Touch look exactly like the new Apple iPad. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so before I go ahead and show you how to do this, I'm just going to show you how it's going to look once you're all finished. So as you can see on the slide to unlock screen, you have the iPad background and also the iPad slide to unlock arrow. Hopefully you can see this. When you unlock it, it'll go to the home screen, and it also has the background, the iPad background, and in the corner where it usually says iPod or iPhone, it says iPad instead. The icons are a little bit more spaced out than usual because that's how they are on the iPad. Also, if you turn your device sideways, it'll go into landscape view just like on the iPad. You can go through all your apps in landscape, even go into spotlight. So yeah, obviously you got to be jailbroken to do this. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, so your iPhone or iPod Touch should look something like this. So what you're going to want to do is go into Cydia, and once it loads, you're going to want to hit manage. I'm just going to wait for mine to load. Alright, so mine's loaded now. Just click on manage, click on sources, and you're going to have to add a few sources. So just hit edit right up in the top right corner, and then hit add in the top left corner. You're going to want to type in sinfuliphonerepo.com. So it should look exactly like this. sinfuliphonerepo.com. So you're gonna want to hit add source once you type that in exactly. Okay, so the next repo you're gonna want to add is called repo.beyouryphone.com. So repo.beyouryphone.com. It should look exactly like this. Alright, so once you got both those sources added, what you're going to want to do is go click on search, and you want to type in the search bar simple SIMPLE space iPad. Oh, and it should bring you simple iPad theme. It should look exactly like this. Just simple iPad theme. You're gonna want to, and once that's installed, the next thing you need to install is called Make, M-A-K-E, oh, sorry. So Make it mine. All one word, no spaces. And it should look like this. Just a thing should pop up. Looks like it says MakeItMine. You're going to want to install that. Okay, so the next thing you want to install is called Shrink. So type in SHRINK and click search. Now you're going to want to go down to the one that says shrink cracked. Right there. Shrink cracked. And you're going to want to install that also. And the last thing you need to install is called SB. So SBRotate. ROTATE. Oh, Rotator. Sorry. So SBRotator. It should look like this. The first one in the list there, SBRotator. You're going to want to install that. So once you got all those installed, go back to your springboard and go into Winterboard. If you didn't have that, you'll have it now. It's just like a snowflake. That's a blue snowflake. So go into Winterboard. Click on Select Themes. And you should have one called Simple iPad Theme. So click on that. Make sure there's a check mark beside it. Don't check any of the other ones. And just hit the home button. And wait for it to respring. Alright, so once it resprings, you'll see you'll have the iPad background and the slider. Now the next thing you're going to want to go into is this one right here. It says MIM underneath it, and it's like a orange little icon. It looks like that. See the orange one with the black line going through it? You're going to want to go in there. And you're going to want to type in this box right here, lowercase I, capital P, then AD. So iPad. Oops, sorry about that. iPad, just like that. And then you're going to want to hit carrier, which is in the top left corner. And as you can see, your where it usually says iPhone or iPad in the top left corner, it should say iPad now. Or sorry, where it usually says iPhone or iPod, it should now say iPad. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go into settings, scroll down to where it says shrink, click on that. And then as you can see, it says icon size 100%. Click on where it says that and select 80%. And then click the little back arrow, the thing that says shrink. And then you're going to want to click the button right there that says respring. And your iPod will respring. Okay, so once it resprings, you will see that your icons are a little bit smaller than usual. Okay, so the last thing you're going to want to do is go into settings once again. Go down to where it says SBRotator. Make sure it looks like this, like rotation enabled, background rotation. And then where it says background behavior, right there, background behavior, you're going to want to click on that and then select stretch and then go back and hit the home button. And now, as you can see, your iPhone or iPod Touch will go into landscape mode, just like on the iPad. And yeah, So that's how you make your iPhone or iPod Touch look exactly like the new Apple iPad. If this video helped you out, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe.